Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this content isn't available at the moment issue on Facebook. So guys, if you are also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically when you see this content isn't available at the moment on Facebook, it usually means the post or profile was deleted, hidden, restricted, or your account was blocked by the user. If it has a site-wide glitch, clearing your cache, updating the app, or checking your internet connection will typically fix it. So guys, make sure that the post has not been deleted, hidden, or restricted, or your account was not blocked by the user. And if you want to fix these issues, if there is a site-wide glitch, then you have to simply follow the instructions. So guys, for that you have to simply drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after this you have to simply go to App Store and then search for Facebook, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook app on your device. So guys, you can see this. If it is asking for the update, simply tap on update and update your device to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open settings and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. After this, go back and now you have to simply scroll it below, and from here check VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. And if there is any connected VPN, then you have to simply disconnect it. And after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and from here go to your apps and then go to Facebook, and from here you have to simply upload your app for one time, and after this install the app again on your device. So guys, do this and it will clear cache, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.